Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Thursday, but after today's price movement, the chart's definitely a little bit trickier to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there or you bought there, who knows, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within, 20 minutes, well then from that point of view, yeah, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture point of view, I get it. From the highs, the price is pulled back, but within the grand scheme of it all, there's still plenty of opportunity for the price to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how those longer-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put into place over extended periods of time. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view, so if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably were some sort of flipper or had some sort of day trading mentality going into the trade, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake on how bullish the chart actually is. So again, not saying the price is headed down here, but just to really show how bullish things still are, let's say that the price actually goes down to 8.5 cents. So price comes all the way back down there, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down here. You'd have lows even lower than that. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you would still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's just going to make progress over time. Again, I get it. If you're a day trader or scalper or flipper and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.